Hi, my name is Yaida Ford. I'm a civil rights trial lawyer, and today I want to talk to you about the incoming administration and the impact on judicial vacancies in the district. So we are down 11 judges in Washington, D.C. What does that mean for us when we're down that many judges? Let me start with crime. Typically, our misdemeanor calendar, our judges handle 30 cases a day. Now it's at 50 cases a day because we don't have enough judges. Say you're a tenant and your landlord's not fixing things and you want to file something in court, it's going to be a while. You might be living in black mold with your baby. And it'll be a while before that gets fixed. If you are a landlord and your tenant's not paying rent, it's going to be a while. It's going to be a while because we've got 11 names. 2 of them are Court of Appeals names, so 9 of them would be Superior Court judges. And of the 9, 2 of them are actually people that President Trump sent in during his first term. And his own party is blocking those too. This is how irrational and unreasonable the political environment in Washington, D.C. is. They're blocking the nominees in their own president. This makes absolutely no sense. And in the meantime, we're suffering. So on a criminal, let me go back to the criminal side. When somebody's pending trial, typically, if it's a murder trial, you get your case tried. It used to be 180 days if you were on a particular calendar to expedite it because criminal defendants have a constitutional right to a speedy trial. That's over. People are now sitting in jail for up to 5 years waiting for a trial because we do not have enough judges. 5 years. And that means people who commit lesser crimes are released into the public with the rest of us, and they too, their cases aren't going to be resolved quickly. So what are they doing? They could be out reoffending, and they likely are out reoffending. Meanwhile, everybody wants to scapegoat the mayor and blame her for the rise in crime. But there is a real ecosystem here, and the lack of judges contributes to the rise of crime. And this matters for people who live and work in the district, and even for tourists who come into the district because they don't feel like the city is safe anymore. So I don't know what it's going to take. Will it take a member of Congress to be carjacked or to be robbed before the light bulb goes off to say, hey, we need judges? And then their case is pending. They're now in the system, and the person is re-released, or the person is pending trial for 3 years. I mean, this is a real problem. This is a real problem. And people are suffering because of it. On the civil docket, that's the docket that I'm on, judges used to have 225 cases. Now they have 473 cases. And when retirements happen next year, the 9 that are sitting there now and the 2 Court of Appeals judges, that number is just going to grow and grow and grow and grow, and it's not sustainable. So I will keep everyone posted on what happens in the upcoming year, especially with the 2-year period. There'll be midterm elections. I don't know how to get the message across, but this is why we pray and ask the Lord for wisdom to help us navigate these challenges and tough times. For more on civil rights law, for more on the District of Columbia, what's happening in our city as it relates to civil rights, as it relates to law, as it relates to our court system, please like, share, tag, and follow me.